Nkosi sikeleli Africa. Izwa imthandazo yethu Nkosi.
I am not blabbing, I'm not honking, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not an attention seeker, I'm honest to myself, I'm proudly African. I'm not a fan of crime. Crime is crime. Crime should be eliminated. All criminals should be arrested. I totally reject the assertion that South Africans are not educated. I don't agree with anyone who says South Africans are lazy. I'll never allow to hear anyone say South Africans don't want to work. I'm shocked considering African history. As Africans, we're all victims of slavery, colonization, and neo-colonization. We fought against colonialism as one. African countries attained independence differently. Ghanaian students were marching on the streets. The message was clear: free South Africa under apartheid government. Nigerian students were marching on streets. The message was clear to the world: free South Africa. A special tax was arranged in Nigeria, paid by Nigerians to save and rescue South Africans who were fighting against apartheid government. African countries stood against apartheid government in Africa. They were frontline states: Tanzania, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Angola, Botswana, Namibia, Lesotho, Swaziland, Malawi. Kaunda at a meeting with Botha. His message was clear to him: free Mandela. Come 1994, South Africa attained her independence. We rejoiced, we celebrated, we sang, Nkosi sikeleli Africa, maluphakanyisa uphondo lwayo, izwa imthandazo yethu Nkosi. Things turned back to a wholesome state again. Each man for himself and God for us all.
If they take us back to our countries, maybe it's gonna get better because we end up dying here.
I take South Africa as a bad country because they're killing us for no reason.
Blacks are fighting blacks. Blacks hate blacks. Africans hate Africans. Xenophobia. Operation Tutula. Now march and march. Mabahambe. 2010, South Africa versus Mexico. The whole Africa supports South Africa. We thought we were brothers and sisters. 2026, South Africa versus Mexico. The whole Africa supports Mexico. We now know we're not their brothers and sisters. Mabahambe. Where is the spirit of Ubuntu which prevailed amongst Africans? Leoniga left Free State. Circuit present day northern Zambia. His people are called Lozi. When they are in South Africa, they are called Makwerekwere, Mazaizai. They must leave. Mzilikazi Gamachobana left Umkhuze, KwaZulu Natal in South Africa. Circuit present day Zimbabwe. His people are called Amandebele. When they are in South Africa, they are called Makwerekwere, Amazaizai. They must leave. Zwangendaba left Pomolo in KwaZulu Natal. Circuit present day Zambia, Malawi, DRC and Tanzania. His people are called the Ngoni people. When they are in South Africa, they are called Makwerekwere, Amazaizai. They must leave. So Shangane left Pomolo. Circuit present day Mozambique and Zimbabwe. His people are called Shangani. When they are in South Africa, in KwaZulu Natal, they are called foreigners. Amakwerekwere, Mazaizai. They must leave. Nigerians are being terrorized by terrorists. They flee to South Africa only to be called Makwerekwere and Zaizai. They must leave. Xenophobia, genocides, political turmoil, political unrest among African countries. They flee to South Africa. They are told Makwerekwere, Mazaizai. They must leave. A South African in Botswana tells a Botswana, you are a foreigner, leave our country. A South African Soto tells a Lesotho Soto and a Zimbabwean Soto, you are a foreigner here, leave our country. A Nguni from South Africa, KwaZulu Natal, from Kumalo clan, tells a Zimbabwean Nguni from Kumalo clan, you are a foreigner, leave our country. A South African Swati tells a Swaziland Swati, you are a Kwerekwere and Zaizai, leave our country. A Shangani from South Africa tells a Shangani from Mozambique and Zambia, you are a Kwerekwere and Zaizai, leave our country. Where is the spirit of Ubuntu, which was founded by Africa's founding fathers, Kwame Nkrumah, Julius Kambarage Nyerere, Colonel Muammar Gaddafi, Patrice Emery Lumumba, Kenneth KK Kaunda, Thomas Noel Isidore Sankara, Nelson Mandela, Chris Hani, Bishop Desmond Tutu, Samora Moses Machel? Where is the spirit of Ubuntu in Africa? Cry, my beloved Africa. until all Africans understand the fundamental dynamics, choreograph, agenda and diplomacy of colonization and neo-colonization. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans stop hating one another. Cry, my beloved Africa, until all African leaders who loot their resources expecting South Africa to take care of their citizens stop their shenaniganism. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans speak with one voice. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans understand who their enemy is. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans are at home as long as they are in Africa. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans unite. Cry, my beloved Africa, until the spirit of Ubuntu amongst Africans prevails. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans stop hating Africans, appeasing our enemies. Cry, my beloved Africa, until Africans all unite. Ingo-ophethu wakwaDube umtima umakama undoda yazwenzakala iDube limthende ulushozi ukhushayo uDube kabayisa ongathekela abafokaza nothekela emanxulumeni isilwane esihle sigeza ngobisi ezinye zigeza ngodaka. Africa unite or else you perish.